Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and it is time for the countdown to Christmas with the Spellbinders Paper Arts Crafty Advent Calendar, and we're going to open 15, and door 15 is right here, so we're going to give it a quick open. And I just want to say, have you noticed that none of anything that we've gotten has anything to do with Christmas? None of it. Just find that funny. Okay, so I'm guessing I was guessing a embossing envelope, but it looks like it's probably either dies or stamps. Let's see. Yep, more dies. Oh, I bet those are the ones from number 4 that disappeared. Look, let's see. This is very cute. That's a cute little embossing. Let's see if this is. Yay! It is 4. It showed up. I was hoping. So it says, this is door 4s that we had to fill in for. Nice little pivot we had to make. So it's thanks so much, happy birthday, and hello friend that would go in this banner. How cute is that? That's really cute. That'd be useful, you know, for cards and stuff like that. So anyway, what we have today, and no, I'm not gonna use it because that was actually day 4 and we did something else. All right, so this is an embossing folder, and I need to watch it because the other one was too thick going through, but not yet quite thick enough. Maybe we should put a couple sheets of paper in here and see. This is really cute. It's not themed, so it could be used for anything. So I have, you know, like O's and X's and la 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 la. So let me see. I think we're just going to add it to my page in my December daily. So let's make a page layout. So I looked at day 15 in my planner, and I already have waterfall in here, which is really cool. And I could add, you know, more to the page. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make some clusters today. So it's going to be kind of quick. I do have this already cut out from the other one that I ran through on the other embossing folder. So it's a perfect size. So I'm going to just run it through. And then we're going to take some papers from this paper set, Joyful Rhapsody, kind of matches. So we're going to make some fun clusters with some doilies, some ribbon, some cheesecloth, and some words. And we're just going to make some fun clusters. So let me get this embossed. All right, so I ran 4 sheets of cardstock through. It embossed all 4. And so I didn't have to use my shim for the embossing. So let me show you. You can kind of see it on here. Emboss, deboss, that's the red. And then the extra papers I found. So what we're going to do, we're just going to have some fun making some clusters. And we're going to use these and just some fun pieces. Put them together, and I'm going to use either glue or my stapler to put them together, and they can be used throughout my journal. So first, to make a cluster, if you haven't made clusters before, they're so fun and easy. You need sort of a piece that's your base, and it can be anything. And I like using book pages too, just to add a different element to it. So let me show you. I have an old book that I use. It's an old dictionary, and I like just using it so that it gives it new life, is how I view it. If you don't do any kind of junk journaling, you might not have that same view, but I do, and I love upcycling and giving new life to things. So as you can see, this doily didn't really tear very well. And it's very fragile, so I'll just use part of it. Then I'll use a little book page. I'm just going to tear the corners and give it a little tear on the sides. There we go. And so then we'll have that. Then we've got our embossed page. I like to tear because it just gives a different feel to it. I take some ink. Now you could do, I'm doing this sort of vintage looking. You could do it red, green, any colors that you want. And I'm just doing it vintage to build your layers. Let's see, I'm going to do this one. Well, we want to centerpiece the little bit of embossed there. So if you want those. So then there's one little cluster right there. And you just staple it together. Now, if you don't want to staple, you can use glue. But I like the metal element. All right, and here's 5 clusters that I made just really quick. This one I did add glitter, a tree. This one on the holidays, I went ahead and added the shimmer. I don't know if you can see it. And then these I didn't. I just added different laces and things. So which cluster is your favorite? Tree, holiday, Noel, bow, or holly? And should I add glitter or shimmer to the other ones? So this is a fun one that you could incorporate this embossing folder to just about anything. So let's look at door 16 and see what size it is. Oh, it's very tiny door. So what do you think's behind there? Maybe a stamp? I don't know. So anyway, thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of your evening.